Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Crochet bedsheets and cushion designs ideas, elegant handmade crochet home decor. In this video, transform your home with the timeless beauty of handmade crochet bedsheet and matching cushion cover. Crochet home decor adds warmth, elegance, and a unique handcrafted charm to any bedroom or living space. Whether you love classic white crochet pattern, colorful floral design, vintage inspired style, or modern minimalist crochet sets, these beautiful ideas can instantly enhance your home interior. In this video, you will discover stunning crochet bedsheets and cushion design ideas that are perfect for home decoration, gifting, and DIY inspiration. From delicate lace patterns to intricate handmade motifs, these crochet creations showcase the creativity and skill behind every stitch. Whether you are an experienced crocheter or simply looking for stylish home decor inspiration, these elegant designs offer endless ideas for creating a cozy and sophisticated living space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to for more beautiful crochet designs, handmade craft ideas, embroidery inspiration, and the latest home decor trends. Take care of yourself. Bye.